addition and multiplication form. Lily and Lucy are practicing the sums on addition and multiplication.
Here are 5 boxes. If we put 3 balls in each box, how many balls do we have? It is simple. We have 15 balls. How could you calculate? I used addition form. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 15. Good. Can you give the multiplication form for it? Sorry, Lily. I don't know the multiplication form. Can you help me? Why not? We write it as 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Multiplication form. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 15. Addition form. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Multiplication form. Let us see few more examples. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 18. Addition form. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Multiplication form. There are 5 frogs in 3 groups. We write it as 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. Addition form. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Multiplication form. Look at the following groups of cupcakes. There are 6 groups of 2 cupcakes each. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 12. Addition form. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Multiplication form.